What began as a 911 call about a suspicious woman wandering around a parking lot, asking people for a ride, or trying to steal their keys, quickly took a dramatic turn when an officer responded and the suspect stole his police car.
I don't know the address. Some lady just tried to take my keys. I do not know the address.
Some lady tried to take your keys?
Yeah, and she walked up asking me for if I could get her out of this place, and then she tried, when she's sitting there staring at me, she then, when I went to go close my door, she went in to come get my keys, and then she tried to open my door again after I locked it.
When did this happen? About how many minutes ago?
Just now. She's walking around the parking lot right now. And I'm pretty sure she knows that I'm calling you.
The RP was inside. Going to now 30 to 40.
Walk over to the back. No. Stop! 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 It gets so fast, she just got in my car, took off. Eastbound on Highway 40 past the substation.
Oh, she just got in with the sheriff. She just got inside the sheriff's car. She is, oh my God. He's out. She's in. She took his car.
No one had any idea that her actions would lead to such severe consequences.
We got another vehicle over here. You guys okay?
On Highway 40 past the substation.
6531, I'm behind them. She is going westbound on 40. She has lights and sirens on, running opposite side of traffic.
Were you the one who called us?
Yes. Do you want me to stay on the line? I'm with the sheriff right now.
You have your ID.
It's in the car. I'm still, really shaking. Did you know her? No, she tried to take my keys.
We know her.
Oh. She tried to reach in and grab the keys from my vehicle. At first, she asked me for a ride, said she needed to get out of this place.
She's extremely signal 12.
10-4.
Eastbound, they're heading into the woods, they're heading into the forest.
26, eastbound on Highway 40.
Leave at 12-6 south and 26.
10-4.
6531 Marion, speeds are about 110. We're still eastbound on 40.
10-4, speeds 110, eastbound on 40.
She's still extremely signal 12.
Are you okay? I'm a little shaken. I've never had that happen to me before, so I'm a little shaky.
Okay.
Just to calm down. Do you need some water or anything? No, I got a drink.
That is insane. I was watching her when we got out, and she's banging on people's cars.
Well, I went to the Dollar Tree and
smacking.
No,
She did, right?
no, she just
We went
tried
in
to
the-
take my vehicle.
Yeah, we was going to go in the Dollar Tree, and I was like, wait a minute, Scott, let's just stay in here for just a minute. Let me watch what she's doing.
Excuse me, all stations, I need help. This is a big route.
6531 Marion, I believe that's going to be her coming across the radio. She just passed the packet sack going eastbound. Her speeds are well over 100. I'm trying to keep up. I'm just keeping eyes on the lights.
Speeds are still 105. We're still going eastbound.
Oh my God, she's still going.
Speeds 105, still eastbound.
What's a good phone number for you?
352.
Speeds are still 115.
10-4, speeds 115.
Marion, she just turned around. She's now going westbound.
10-4, subject 9 westbound. Excuse me, I need the real police.
They're ignorant. Let's switch back to TAC 2 so she can't key up.
10-4, all units on the signal 13, switch to TAC 2.
Marion TAC 2.
The woman was identified as 33-year-old Kendra, who had previously been charged with 13 felonies and had been released from prison just a few days earlier. Moreover, Her mocking of the police over the radio only fueled the responding officer's rage.
5812, how much fuel?
Probably around 3/4 of a tank. I filled it up this morning.
Idiots, bro. Right here. Right here. Right here.
Well, I know that. I'm just double checking if I get the opportunity to do so. Is it 10-4? We're still westbound on 40, just past Forest Road 33.
10-4, 23,900 blocks, still westbound.
She's going to be the first car. I'm the second car. The lights are on. 10-4, I'm going to lay off a little bit. Speeds are still about 90, 95.
Safety 316, she did advise they're coming up behind an 18-wheeler.
And she's turning around. She's conducting a U-turn. She is going eastbound on 40. Speeds are up to 105. We're still eastbound.
Reference that pit, if you do have a safe opportunity, you go ahead and take that if you feel comfortable with it.
There's also past 23, I'm gonna have a switch.
Probably 3 or 4 out, but the ranges are hot right now through the Navy. We're trying to get clearance until.
At one point, the female officer lost visual of the suspect, and then she noticed thick black smoke in the distance, which was a nightmare awaiting.
Air 1, we got approval. We're just a couple minutes out. Giving it 100 thought.
Signal 4, signal 4, signal 4.
Signal 4 station, 1033.
Alright, right here, you're good. Good job.
Stay away from the car, stay away from the car.
Back up, back up, back up, back up! Back up, back up!
We got another vehicle. We got another vehicle over here. You guys okay? Hello? Hello?
Another vehicle.
You guys okay?
10-4 into another vehicle.
I'm not getting a response from them. I don't know where she's at. There's somebody in that driver's side.
She's right there. She's right here. She's right here. Get them, get them, get them.
Pickup truck.
Soon, a fire broke out from the damaged engine, possibly due to a fuel leak. Acting quickly, the officers used as many fire extinguishers as they could to put it out.
Hey, Millers, get my fire extinguisher. Fire extinguisher. Fire extinguisher, get it over here, get it over here.
I'm getting it, I'm getting it. Go. Where's yours? Can you grab yours?
It's really hot right here, really hot. Mine's unlocked, it's unlocked, it's unlocked. It should be on the right.
occupants unresponsive and everything.
The crash killed Kendra and the male and female front seat occupants of the pickup truck, both of whom were over the age of 70. The third occupant seated in the back survived, but was in critical condition.
Do we have any contact talking? At least three occupants? Sheriff's office, is everyone okay?
Partner is calling 911 for you. Help will be sent to that location. Can anyone hear me?
I need one fire extinguisher over here. Fire extinguisher! Fire extinguisher! Let's make sure they're good.
Yeah, I'm trying to make sure that this doesn't start a fire because it's leaking oil.
Okay.
There's a flame coming through that firewall, but
She said get on this one. Where's she at? If she's right there, I don't know if you can get through that hole. All right. We got the roadblock. Medics are on the way.
is there fire in there right now?
Unresponsive.
Yeah. I can't get to the one on the right though.
Okay. They're gonna have to chop it out.
According to reports, Kendra had 3 children and was not doing well mentally as per her family. She had even left a note the night before the incident for the couple who had housed her. Although her family maintained that she was a kind and loving person, her attempt to steal cars in the parking lot didn't help uphold that image.
You okay? Okay. Sit down if you need to. Sit down if you need to. You're not hurt, are you? Yeah. Okay. Three in the car, Sarge. She's signal 7.
How is Woody? Is he okay?
I believe he's fine.
I'm so mad right now, bro.
Hey, don't beat yourself up.
No, it's not. I'm pissed off at her because now she just fucking caused 3 people to fucking die because she wanted that they could fucking patrol car.
Push back about a mile. You're going to get back.
Oh.
You can't control anybody else's actions.
No. I seen, and she was going around the semi, and I knew, but I thought it was just gonna be her. And I'm like, all right, that's fine. It's just her. You know. Don't know if it's still recorded, but fuck her, you know. And then when I seen the truck, I'm like, are you fucking shitting me, bro? I didn't get in my car.
Okay. You're good. You're good.
The injured passenger was identified as 74-year-old Russell, the driver's brother. He had suffered numerous bone fractures, spinal trauma, as well as injuries to his head. He later went into a coma and had to be put on breathing support, with the possibility of an ankle amputation.
I already used up my extinguisher.
Hey, hold on. Hold that one. There's still someone.
Yeah, that's fine. I can't get down in there. It's probably burning. Hey, knife, I got you 2 right here. Thanks.
I just feel so confused to sit here doing nothing.
No, you're good, you're good. You're good. Sit down, sit down. Are they all signal 7?
I want to check this one real quick, if we can break one of them free. But believed to be.
This is so wrong.
Are you on?
Yeah. I guess Woody left his car open and they're dealing with this crazy lady and she stole his car.
They call her. I don't know.
I told him I had 3 occupants.
Good person or not, Kendra's act of stealing a police vehicle, driving at 100 miles an hour and ultimately causing the deaths of not just herself, but also 2 innocent people, was one of the most reckless acts imaginable. But again, Kendra's criminal record shows she had no intention of ever abiding by the law or consistently taking medication to manage her illness, which resulted in her erratic behavior. YouTube thinks you'll love the video on screen. Click to watch now.